Hi, everybody. I'm Professor Raul Briseño, and I wanted to invite you to an event that we're going to be hosting this week, October 7th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, where we're going to be exploring about the question of what would the Earth be without the moon. This is an interdisciplinary talk that is going to be touching on different aspects of humanity, both on the sciences as well as the cultural, on what would humanity be if the Earth would just not be present. I think it's going to be quite fascinating. I think it's going to be touching multiple of our interests, not just on the science side, but also on the cultural side. And so I want to strongly encourage everybody to participate. For more information, just go to odu.edu/REYES. I'll put the link on below this video, and there you're gonna see a link that is gonna take you to a registration form. I'll put both those links there. Okay, so just register to the event. It's gonna be a virtual event, free, like all of the other REYES activities, and so join us. Okay, and so we'll see you Thursday, October 7th. All right, have a good day.